Unbelievable, top ones. Unbelievable. Watch this. What is the difference between a population and a sample in research? Okay, the question, top ones, what is the difference between a population and a sample in research? A, a population is a subset of a sample. B, a sample is a subset of a population. C, a population refers to a specific geographical location, while a sample refers to the participants in the study. D, a sample refers to a specific geographical location, while a population refers to the participants in the study. Okay, top ones, in our examination tutorials, we have to differentiate and distinguish the two, which is mahiwagang keyword and mahiwagang answer. All you have to do is to pair both so that you will have your derived final nearest answer. Okay, what is your clue? What is your keyword here? Your keyword here is difference between. What is the subject matter? This question, population versus sample under research or research design. Okay, so what is your clue? Difference between. Your subject matter is your population versus sample. If we say a sample refers to a specific geographical location while a population refers to participants in the study, is that the difference between the two, population and sample? No, it's not, because it's geographic. It's not. Okay? While letter C, a population refers to a specific geographical location while a sample refers to participants in the study, no, it's not. O, sinabi, oh, specific. So, you have population, it's not specific. Okay? When we say a population is a subset of a sample, is that a difference between population and sample in research? No, it's not. Okay? The correct answer, top ones, is a sample is a subset of a population. So you have the general, which is the population, you get a sample so that you would determine as a generalized, which is a key component, which is a key to your research. Okay, tapos, meron ko bang natutunan? Kindly like, share, and comment this video so that you would receive more drills, more samples every single day. Okay, so thank you very much, top ones, for listening, and God bless. God bless.